Yeah, 3 years, 3 years of work, 3 years of a lot of work.
The experience has been, I would say, mixed.
It's been very, very challenging.
It's a wonderful challenge, let me leave it like that.
It's been an amazing journey so far.
It has been so wonderful. I enjoy every one of them.
It's been tasking.
Fantastic journey it has been so far, so good. We don't get our ups and downs. We don't get some days we'll be like, so we won't give each other. But you know, we have to do it in a very professional way. No feelings attached and all of that. But in all, na journey where I know say they ask me whether I want to do them again. I go say, hell yeah.
Is it they say, una just not really want to hear my experience?
I remember this one time I was sick and I had to throw up. Like every break I would throw up into a bag and then I'll continue hosting the show and nobody could tell that this person was sick.
I've always wanted to be on television. So I came in with the mindset that, you know, I thought it would just be, you just be on television, you just be a superstar, you just start making money.
It sounds funny, but I think I like the fact that I'm able to learn different things at the same time in one place.
You learn a lot on the job, yeah.
But yeah, and looking at Wazobia WeTV giving that platform of showcasing my ability, it's been a learning process for me.
Working in this place has helped me build amazing relationships. I mean, special shout out to my co-hosts, Ayo and Benga. I thank God for the experience. I'm certainly not the same. I watched some of my shows on the first day and it's so different from my presenting style now. So I would say the experience has been invaluable. I also thank God for the amazing array of people I've met. You know, on television, you meet different people from all walks of life.
Having to work with other people. First off, I'm interested in this subject of temperaments, like the sanguine, the melancholy, the choleric, the phlegmatic. So because of that, my knowledge of that, I know how to approach each person. So how I'm going to talk to this person is not how I'm going to talk to the other person.
Oh God, the department that I always have to endure, there are actually 2 departments. Let me give you the 2. Editing and graphics. Those guys.
From different backgrounds, different ideologies, different thought processes, different styles of working, and you have to make it work because like they say, it's showbiz. The show must go on. Irrespective of what happens, we must come up with a bright smile and ensure that the audience have an excellent experience of our delivery. So now when we don't turn 3, now betterment will go they give you. Better shows, better series, better movies. Not miss more because they're now up go they go.
I feel it coming. I feel it coming.
In all of it, it's been worth it.
It's been an amazing journey so far.
And our prayer and I say, as we celebrate this our anniversary, all the people will be say, now them make us still day on air. Because if people know they watch, there's no need now. As God they keep us alive, say they wake up every morning, they come. Those when we say they tune their television inside this country where lights no today like that, they buy food and put inside their gen. They load their phone to call us. Now because of Una, we see there and we appreciate Una. And as we celebrate our anniversary, when we they jollificate, we pray say everything Una they do, Una go also they jollificate.
This will not be the last anniversary we'll celebrate. We'll celebrate many, many more years, you know. And trust me, guys, as we go on, as the year they unfold, we will bring a better entertainment onto our TV station.
I would like to take this opportunity to wish you 1,000 more years of happiness.
Many more amazing feats.
But believing that we're getting to that point where we could stand as #1 in Africa.
I can't wait to see how far we'll get in life because we go really, really far.
Brighter, bigger years are coming ahead.
And success.
And off your way to chop cake.
Happy anniversary to Wazobia Max and Wazobia TV.
Happy birthday!
We are growing from strength to strength to strength. Notice I said we because I'm part of the team.
Now we, me and you, now WeTV.
The #1 TV station on any platform.
Now WeTV. Oh, wicked!
It's WeTV. It's our TV.
Big things are going.